Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever dream of earning your own money, maybe for a new game, some cool clothes, or just to save up for something big? It's totally possible, even if you're between 13 and 17 years old. There are so many flexible ways you can start building your own income, right from your neighborhood or even online. You can gain valuable experience and skills too. Let's explore some great options that fit your life and goals. One of the easiest ways to start is by offering help right in your own neighborhood. Think about what people around you need. Things like walking dogs, babysitting for younger kids, or even pet sitting when families go on vacation are always popular. Plus, yard work like mowing lawns, raking leaves, or watering gardens can bring in steady cash. These simple services are often appreciated by busy neighbors. The internet opens up a whole new world of earning potential. If you're good at a school subject, offer online tutoring to younger students, helping them with homework. Many people also need social media help, so managing accounts for a local business could be a great fit. Or, if you're creative, try making simple videos or designing graphics. These digital skills are in high demand and can be done right from home. Do you love to create, or perhaps you're a good baker? You can easily turn these passions into profit. Consider making handmade crafts like jewelry, greeting cards, or personalized items to sell online or at local markets. If baking is your thing, whipping up cookies or custom cakes for orders can be quite profitable. You can also sell old items you no longer use, like clothes or books, which is an easy way to earn some extra cash and clear clutter. Before you start, remember a few key things. Always talk to your parents or guardians about your plans. They can offer great advice and help ensure your safety. When meeting clients, it's best to do so in public places, or even better, have a trusted adult with you. Also, remember to balance your work with school and personal time. Earning money is exciting, but your education and well-being always come first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.